How to remove background noise in VN Video Editor in your mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can remove background noise in VN Video Editor. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, open up your VN Video Editor, tap on New Project, and then choose a video. After you do that, tap on Next. And after you do that, now identify noisy sections in the audio. So if your entire audio has noise, what you can do is select it, and you should find a built-in noise reduction tools. So here you can search for the noise reduction tool. You'll find the denoise option. Tap on it. Tap on toggle on this button and tap on the tick option. Then it will do its thing. It can take some time for the denoise to take effect, but after you do that, it will just remove the noise from your video. Then you can finally export this and you're good to go. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.